In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Questrade in Tradingview. We'll walk through this step by step so you can place trades with your Questrade account directly from the Tradingview charting platform. Make sure you're already signed into your Tradingview account in your browser and that your Questrade login details are handy, because we'll need them toward the end of the process. First, open your web browser and go to the Tradingview website. You can type the address directly into the URL bar and hit enter. Once the homepage loads, confirm that you're logged in. If you see an option to sign in at the top of the page, go ahead and do that using your usual credentials. Being logged in is important because your broker connections are tied to your Tradingview profile. Next, from the Tradingview homepage, look for the option called SuperCharts. This is Tradingview's full-featured charting interface where all the trading tools and broker connections live. Click on SuperCharts and it will open up a new chart window. Give it a moment to load, especially if this is your first time opening it, as Tradingview may be loading your default layout and indicators. Once SuperCharts is open, move your attention to the bottom section of the screen. Here, you should see a tab or button labeled Trading Panel. This is where Tradingview lists all the brokers and paper trading options you can connect to. Click on Trading Panel to expand that section. After the panel opens, you may initially see only a few broker options. To see the complete list, click on the option that says Show All Brokers. This will expand the panel and display every supported broker that can integrate with Tradingview. Now that all the brokers are visible, use the search box inside the trading panel to find Questrade. Start typing Questrade, and the list should filter automatically. When you see Questrade appear in the search results, click on it. Finally, once you've selected Questrade, you'll see an option to connect. Click on the Connect button. This will usually open a secure Questrade login window, either as a pop-up or in a new tab. Log in with your Questrade credentials, then follow the prompts to authorize Tradingview to access your account. When the authorization is complete, your Questrade account will be linked to Tradingview, and you'll be able to place trades directly from your charts using